Here is uniform of Ashkan jacket and lack of hair and Tatya Tope circa 1940s. Silk and velvet. Tatya Tope 1949 to 1859 was one of the heroes of the Indian Revolt of 1857, often referred to as the first War of Independence. Government has preserved her dress. A very beautiful dress is here. This is Enfield rifle, carbine cavalry, date of manufacture 1865 to 1868. Weapons used in World War I. Prototype of this were used in the Indian Revolt of 1857 and the American Civil War in 1960. This is very old gun which was used in first War of Independence, and here also it is preserved. You can see there is written Food Genus Sector by Ramsden, regularly used by Major Lambton, the founder of the Great Trigonometrical Survey of India from January 1801, from astronomical observation of latitude on his the surveys of South India, and the last used by Captain afterwards as Jones, arrested at the Kanipur in central India in the 1925, presented by the Government of India Survey Department. This is the whole model of Victoria Memorial, which is located in central Kolkata, in West Bengal. Going to the front, 1878 oil in canvas. Walter Charles Housley shows Indian soldier boarding to train Peshwa on the rear Afghanistan across the Khyber Pass to fight the Second Anglo-Afghan War, 1878 to 1880. These are the images of First World War. And now here whole image of World War. There you can see people are fighting and they have taken javelin and elephants are there. The king is there and he looking towards his soldier. Model of sailing ship in 19th century. This is the whole model of this ship which were used in ancient time by the British. Straight into Delhi, Lord and Lady Curzon, 1933. Oil on canvas. Roderick McNeice. Colonial procession during the second Delhi Darbar of 1903, passing in the Jama Masjid with Viceroy Lord Curzon and his wife led to the procession, followed by the others dignitaries and rule chiefs in the princely India. This is image that is in Delhi Darbar of Jama Masjid. Here people are in Jama Masjid. So many people are there. You can see elephants and the horse, soldiers, and some soldiers are there who are walking by on foot, and many people are here. Whole image is present here, and this is the harmonium or piano. This is for Sirsa. What is written here? A whole detail is written here. Now you can see me. I am Touristan again in Hindustani. I am traveling in Kolkata. Now you can see my face of whole Victoria Memorial. I like that, and people are walking. They are enjoying, and this is a very beautiful monument of central Kolkata. And I am here. वीडियो है, प्ले हो रहा है, मेरा पूरा फ़ोटो आना चाहिए। ये मैं हूँ। अभी तक तो मैं इंग्लिश यूज़ कर रहा था, अभी मैं हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ। यहाँ पे मेरे को जो भी दिखा कोलकाता में, सेंट्रल कोलकाता विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल, मेरे को सब कुछ अच्छा लगा। That's all. And if you are new on my channel, you can subscribe my channel and like, comment it, share it. That's all guys. Thank you.